Well, this short video will show you the examples of the work you need to do for the presentations unit. This screen shows the full presentations unit, or the full presentation. This first slide right here, slide 1, slide 2, slide 3. So slide 1, slide 2, and slide 3, they all go together for presentation project 1. And you'll notice that for presentation project 1, you have the title slide at the top, and then on slide 2, this one, you take your objective paragraph from the documents unit, science experiment, and make it into bullets. So you can see what this student has done is the student took their objective paragraph and they made distinct bullets for their objective. Because if you remember from the science experiment, the objective was an objective paragraph, so you change it into nice, meaningful, logical bullets. Then slide 3, which is this one, is a procedures list, and you copy your procedures list from the documents unit, and you just make sure that it has numbered bullets. So again, slides 1, which is this one, slides 2, which is this one, slides 3, they go together to make up presentation project 1. Then presentation project 2 is you add a 4th slide, and you can see this 4th slide this student did, she chose to do it in flowchart version. So she added slide 4 and did this, and slide 4 is a graphic representation of her experiment. And then you put that onto the first 3 slides as slide 4, and then you have presentation project 2. Now I want to show you more examples of what slide 4 could look like. Here are more examples of what slide 4 could look like. Here's where a student did a little flowchart activity, made it really fancy. Here's where a student did a drawing. This experiment was on listening to music, so they did a drawing about people listening to music. This one, the student did a flowchart, a procedures process chart. So look at how intricate this was with the arrows. That was a great job. This one, the student did a more simpler flowchart type of an activity. Then finally, this one, the student did something, kind of interesting. A lot of work went into it because she had to draw these types of images, and this one was an experiment of doing Mentos and Coke. So you can see what the students did with this. Now I do want to show you what the requirements are. So here we are for the presentations unit project 2 assignment. This is where you make the 4th slide. And the 4th slide, so you're going to put the slide after your procedures, give it a meaningful title, so it could be processes or something like that. Have drawings to supplement your procedures, to add to your procedures piece. And look at it, 10 different objects, 4 to 6 different colors, at least 1 arrow, and at least 1 auto shape. Now I'm not going to count that you have these exact things, but it does need to be more than just a couple of images you copied off the web and put an arrow pointing from one image to the other. It needs to be something similar to those examples we saw. So that is it. That's what you do for this. I'm going to go on back to the one that had everything on it. So remember, slides 1, 2, and 3 are for project 1. And then you add in slide 4 and then turn in project 2. So that's it for this. Very easy to do. Thank you. Bye.